Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine. Our today's topic of moral education is pearl diving. Our learning outcomes are discuss about the heritage of UAE, explain how pearl diving was important through the history of the UAE. Pearl diving. Pearl diving is the most important part of the heritage of the UAE. So what is pearl diving? Before the UAE traded oil, pearl fishing was its biggest industry. Pearls grow inside the mouths of the oysters. People have been diving and trading pearls for thousands of years in the Gulf region. Ras Al Khaimah was the very important area for pearl diving. Over the years, a large port was developed there. Other towns grew along the coast because of the pearl diving, like Sharjah, Dubai, and Abu Dhabi. Most men who worked as divers only did so in the summer, as they also had to herd camels and look after date farms. At the beginning of the 20th century, the pearl industry was at its peak. There were around 1200 pearling boats, and on each boat there was around 22 men. It means 26,000 men were diving for pearls during the summer months. Boats departed from the port at the beginning of the June and they returned around the end of the September. So in these 3-4 months, Dalma Island was used as a refueling point for food and water. Their life was very hard. Divers had a hard life. The job of a diver was dangerous and tough. Each day started after sunrise and ended just before sunset. Coffee and dates were used to give energy throughout the day. There were many rules in place for pearl diving. These have helped to preserve its heritage in the region. Modern equipment was banned. This means the traditional skills and the way of doing it still survives until today. They were using the traditional skills. In the 1920s, things began to change. This was not good for people working in the pearling industry in the UAE. So, slowly, the value of the pearl decreased. Eventually, the industry stopped in the UAE. This also affects the boat building industry as fewer boats were needed. I hope you understood about pearl diving in the UAE. Thank you, dear students.